as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of deep orange and crimson. A day's end reminds us of the power of endings and beginnings. Each ending is a chance to say, "I'm sorry," to release the day's burdens, and each new wave, a fresh start. Today's video is the second episode of our Find Inner Peace with Hooponopono transformative series, where we deep dive into the healing embrace of the first phrase, "I'm sorry," through the journey into the heart of Hooponopono. In the whisper of these two simple words lies the key to unlocking the profound inner peace within us. I'm sorry, an admission, a concession, not just to others, but to ourselves. It's an opening to acknowledge our mistakes and missteps, the moments we wish to wash away like footprints in the sand. This phrase, "I'm sorry," is our first step on the path to inner peace. It allows us to shed the weight of past regrets and cleanse our spirits to unburden our souls on the impact of the past mistakes. Imagine each regret like a leaf on this tree, heavy with the rain's weight. And with each apology, those leaves drop, leaving branches free to reach towards the sky. But how do we begin this journey of healing and reconciliation with ourselves? It starts with a simple, profound act of courage to face and accept your past mistakes. Now, gently close your eyes. Let the world around you fade into the background as you turn inward. Take a deep, slow breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Feel your body's gentle response, a momentary peace that promises more. Now, in the quiet solitude of your mind's landscape, visualize and picture yourself. See the person you were yesterday, the shadows of last year, or even the echoes of a decade ago. These are not just images, but fragments of your journey, carrying mistakes, regrets, and lessons unlearned. Look into the eyes of that younger self, the one who didn't have the answers, who faltered under the weight of decisions and life's unpredictability. To that person, extend the gentle hand of forgiveness. Say, "I'm sorry." Say it with a heart heavy with understanding and lips tremulous with the relief of unburdening. Say it again, "I'm sorry." Let the words emerge from a heart brimming with empathy and lips quivering with the release that comes from unloading your burdens. And again, "I'm sorry." Speak from a heart enriched by comprehension and lips that tremble with the lightness of letting go. Allow these words to flow from a heart laden with insight and lips that flicker with the solace of release. Express this with a heart saturated in understanding, and lips wavering with the comfort of liberation. Feel each word lift a part of the burden you've carried, each syllable breaking chains long bound by regret. Feel the freedom that blossoms from the genuine acknowledgement of your faults. Freedom from the harsh judgments that have echoed in your mind. Freedom that expands with your breath, light and liberating. And now, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for not knowing better then, for not being stronger, wiser, or more prepared. Embrace the flawed beauty of your human journey with all its missteps and stumbles. And then, with a breath of fresh resolve, let it all go. Release it into the universe, a sigh of past pains and regrets, and open your eyes to the new light of present possibilities. With each act of self-forgiveness, each whispered apology to the soul, you walk further along the path of inner peace, a journey that rebuilds the spirit, not with perfection, but with the grace of understanding and the strength of renewal. Each new dawn brings with it a slate wiped clean, a testament to the power of apologies to renew and restore. As we learn to say, "I'm sorry," with sincerity, the chains of old grievances dissolve, and the heart begins to find inner peace. Join us next time as we explore the next step in our hooponopono journey. Please forgive me. Together, we'll continue to weave the fabric of forgiveness and inner peace into our lives. Remember, the path to inner peace is a journey, not a destination. And each step, each word, each breath is a part of this transformative series.